Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to create and verify a Mexc account. So here I am on the page, and then you click here and sign up. You can sign in with a Google account as well. And after you finish the sign up process and you're actually brought to the sign up page, what you basically need to do, right? So here it is asking me to confirm my 6-digit verification code for the email. That's fine. Let's go ahead and do that. So as you can see, it logged me in and is redirecting me here to my user page. If they don't redirect you to that page, it's fine. All you have to do is come to the top right, click on your profile icon, and you'll be here. Now, to verify, you come here, click on verify, and then you verify with your know your customer details. Okay, you need to provide your information here. You need to give your identification, so keep that in mind. So there's two ways. There's a primary KYC, so you verify via the web or app, and you need to provide your ID. And the advanced one, if you want a higher trading limit, more benefits and enhanced security, they need to give the ID and facial recognition as well. So it's really that easy. Just come here, click on verify via web, and then you will need to provide your ID and you will be done. Okay, you just upload here, front, back, submit for review, and usually takes 24 hours. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to App Mentor.